Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video, we will see how to create a rectangular slot in solid body using slot command in NX. First, we will add a slot command to ribbon bar. So for that, in command finder, type slot. Here we can find a slot legacy command, and in left hand side, the path of this command is shown. So to add this in ribbon bar, click here and click on add to ribbon tab, and here select current tab. So the command will appear here. Now we will create a slot using this command. So for that, we will create one block. Now go to slot command, select rectangular and click on OK. Now we have to select one face on which we have to create a slot. Here we select this upper face, and then after we have to select horizontal reference. So we select this face, and then this arrow will appear. Here we enter the dimensions of rectangular slot. Length will be 60, width 20 and depth will be 10. And then click on OK. So this type of slot will appear here. Now we have to give position to this slot. So first of all, we give the horizontal dimensions. So select this edge and select this center line. Enter here 50 and click on OK. Now we'll give the vertical dimension. So select this edge and select this center line and enter 50 and click on OK. Again click on OK. So the slot will generated like this. Now cancel this. Here we have positioned this slot at the middle of this face. If we want a slot throughout the body, go to rectangular slot. Here change the type and tick on through slot and click OK and select this face, and then after select this face, click on OK. So the slot will generated like this. Also we can change the parameters of slot. So go to rectangular slot, click on feature dialog. Here change the width 20 to 30 and depth 10 to 20 and click on OK. Again click on OK. So the slot will be changed. This is how we can generate a slot in any body in NX using slot command. Thank you friends. If you like this video, then please subscribe to C4CAD.